All right, everybody, Life's Journey of 50 here. This is day 2. Day 1 was good, except for I have a clutch issue, but we're just going to end up tearing the thing up. So, anyways, got to get a new clutch in the bike. Shocking, I know, to everybody in this channel that watches me. That would not be a great revelation, but let's see what we got here. Mr. Tom, our instructor. Mike, how are we this morning?
Excellent.
Ready for another day of motocross training? I mean, adventure rider training? Some people were not here for the motocross training last night, but that's okay. All right, folks, here's what we've been doing. Well, I did this the other day, but this gives you an idea at Rock Crusher Farm. Unbelievable.
And then we're going to work on, we're going to figure out how to do this. We're just going to work on being more aggressive with the throttle and clutch control. We're going to work on body movement and then logs. We'll just do a warm-up ride. Probably just go around one down to the field and cross a couple creeks. And, remember, work on body movement at all times. Be doing something on that bike, even hang yourself off the side, whatever. No relaxing. I want you to try to throw one more thing in there, and that is when you come to a stop, I want you to try to stay balanced. I don't want you to move the wheel. As you come to the stop, I just want you to try to do a stoppie every time you come to a stop. And this is going to practice you keeping that level. Because some obstacles, you got to slow down on your approach, stay totally balanced, like for a log, and then go over it. You can't go over a log if you're off balance. It'll be real bad on the other side.
Not successfully.
Yeah.
Bounce.
Yeah, so whenever you come to a stop, just get a feel for it, try to stay balanced. Remember not to move the wheel. We're not trials riding. So move your body a little bit, just to adjust a little bit, just to stay balanced.
Day 2 of our training. Should be a pretty epic day again, doing some log crossings. And here we're off. We get a little warm-up ride in. We got the owner of the facility, Adam, with us today on his Tenere. Should be awesome. Paul's over here on his big GS. We're ready to roll. And now we do the warm-up lap. That was about as smooth as a fart in church. little warm up is always a good thing.
Alright, I just want to show you a little demo here about body position. Transition change and bumps you can absorb with your body. The easier it is on you, the less energy you use holding on, and the better your bike is riding. It's about making it to the end of the journey. So if you're rough on your bike, there's less of a chance it's going to make it because you're probably going to damage something. So what I want you to do is just watch me go through this dip here and watch how I let the bike drop out from under me, and then it's a pretty steep bank on the other side, right? So I'm going to absorb that in when it comes up. Before he goes up. So when it drops, I'm dropping my arms down, right? And then I'm leaning forward on the exit. And then what happens when you come up? Your front end drops down on the ground, right? So you have to extend your arms. So I'm using my entire body to let the bike flow over the terrain. Setting myself back in control when it lands. And the same way with the other way.
You want me to go? Fuck. I got you.
I think you let clear out on the clutch.
I did.
And you shouldn't have. It should be slipped.
Got it.
The whole way so you maintain.
All right. God damn it. Oh, fuck. Why do I have such a hard time with this?
No, it's not easy.
Oh, fuck.
Is that all right?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Yeah, you've been up that already.
I know.
Time, so you'll get it. You'll get it.
God damn it.
That's all right. A little more down at the bottom. Just a little more down at the bottom. You almost had it.
Well, I'm getting good at hillside recovery.
Break a minute and look at it.
I don't know how smooth that was, but I got up there.
Just like this. Yeah, one more time, let us get on camera.
The fuck was that?
You held on to it. You let out on the clutch. You let out on the clutch. Cool. Hey, but it got traction. The whole. Anybody get that?
Did you guys like that?
Now we're having fun. That was cool. The best part was the bike was still upright. I thought you were just going to reach up and grab it and it was going to stay upright.
You ever done that before, Matt?
No.
So there you go.
See, Renee, the bike didn't flip over. At least came close, but it didn't. Holy shit. He goes, you just let off.
Can't even come close to flipping over. These bikes to flip over literally have to be past 100%.
Right. I was almost standing next to it, and the bike was still like standing. I was like,
That's
holy
the thing,
shit.
and it came down on its wheels, and I thought you were just going to grab the tail, and it didn't.
God damn it! Out of everything I do, this is the worst.
Watch your
Sure, do it again! Do it again! Keep doing it again! You're the entertainment of the day! Bastards. I lost my light, but
It's the other Matt that showed up.
what? What's that?
It's the other Matt that showed up.
I don't know what happened. I don't know who this guy is.